is encouraging.
Yeah.
But I want you to learn something from this. You know, one of my famous parables, a parable of the talent. Mro sikani no tu kwan no. Odi na chija ne nko amiensa. Obaaye no. Ofre ni nko amiensa no bisa won se sika na amede maam no wo ye nden. Ba ko se ennam se na osuro no because we kene Japan kakainti. Itutu form na mde sheho osefama. Oje. Second one, obisa no sika na amede ma onya asen. Osi me ye menya mfaso kakra sitwen. Third one, sika no amede ma wo ye den. Osi mi wura, me di ye adwuma no menya ho nsi hu. Na Bible no kire se oje ni otutu fom de ne de hye ho no na wo chen according to prophet enkwa mienu na aka no enyae, which means ni obo ne ho modene edobu mi sika no enya kese echen ni wonya mfaso keto. What it means is that God help those who help themselves. It is out to us now do such a demiri from expecting manna to come from heaven. Manna will never come from heaven because Nyankopon ama wadwen or say I have created you in my own image. Look into the mirror in the morning and ask yourself, so me ankasa me tibia me yabia me dijina, is it image of God? Then you begin to ask questions, why I'm not doing well, what I can do to change my life around, you know. That is positive thinking. Not to go and fall on fake pastor who will tell you it's a cocoa oil. Oil no turn different. Ube free on a year free 1,000, 1,002. Uko fieswa na uba school fees ayasem.
Ntiaye.
Mesrem. Ye we nyina de akyerem mementan obi awo. Banokura no so de meka no mawu. Even at the point of death, I will not lie. I'll tell you. Inti mo mayam fa ne ye nyina enye esuade. Na asofofo no a omunye papa no. Ma wiye airtime papa.
Very bad.
Ma wiye. Edru mrebi na preku cars over 20. And na no hwe ne chale wate ene ne fu adoa. I'm not surprised say bia we free. Nobody is happy for anybody to die. No, that is not what I'm saying. But me a surprise. Nyankopon din odi bu nkofo kwasea. Wo ho awie. Wa you wadwene say ubesisi wo hiani na odi aye yie. Nyankopon onu ubedi in his own time. I believe in karma.
Yeah.
And the evil that men do lives after them. Great, but where you know.